Want this in your video. Firstly, you have to download this free app. First app is Background Ears. Open the app and lower the photo. When select that picture that you ears the background, and choose auto color and point where the background, and that way easy, and select done. Save and finish it, and second is server VPN, but you choose any VPN and connect the. You see full video if you skip any part. You never understand how this video was created. VPN and connect the server, and last. See full video if you any part skipped. You never understand how this video. This CapCut and open it and create new project and choose any background, and I'm dividing in two parts to clearly to explain. And first you open overlay, then select picture. You remove background and select second picture. And adjust to clearly viewable. And select first picture and add animation. Open combo and select pendulum 1. And select second picture and add pendulum 2. And play the video to see it is correct. And rotate and adjust to full screen. And add animation. Select shape 1. Now you see full video. If you think it is ready, you export it. Now your video is ready. Please like and subscribe our channel.